Welcome to this video, part of our Tech Education series, where we define what AI is, differentiating intelligence from automation. We begin with Section 01, covering the core definitions of both automation and artificial intelligence. Automation is a rule follower. It executes repetitive tasks based on predefined rules, resulting in a deterministic output that is always the same for a given input. Its key benefit is consistency and speed, but it cannot handle unexpected variables. AI, conversely, is the intelligent learner. It simulates human cognitive functions and is probabilistic, identifying patterns to make, quote, best guess decisions. The core goal of AI is to perform complex tasks requiring reasoning and problem solving. Comparing the two, automation uses hard-coded rules and is static, focusing on standardization. AI uses learned patterns, is dynamic, and focuses on insights and prediction. AI intelligence rests on three pillars: learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Learning is identifying patterns, reasoning is applying logic to solve problems, and self-correction is adjusting performance to reduce errors. The convergence of AI and automation creates hyperautomation, leading to a 40% gain in operational productivity. This intelligent automation determines what tasks are needed and how to optimize them. Now we move to Section 02, where we will explore practical applications. Consider the case studies of an email filter, which uses rule-based automation, versus Gmail Smart Reply, which uses AI's natural language processing to analyze context and suggest responses. We can benchmark task adaptability. Basic automation is limited, while robotic process automation is consistent. Machine learning is high, and generative AI is adaptive in handling outlier scenarios. The evolution of AI shows a progression from the Turing test in the 1950s to rule-based expert systems in the 80s, the deep learning revolution of the 2010s, and the rise of large language models and generative AI in the 2020s.